Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use less data on Signal app. First, let's go into the app. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. From there, you're going to tap on Settings. Then you're going to tap on Data and Storage. Next, you'll see right below Calls, use less data for calls. At the moment, mine is set at never. To turn it on, you'll simply tap on use less data. And you'll see the option right here. Use less data for calls. You can select mobile data or you can select Wi-Fi and mobile data. I would select mobile data only. And that's it. From here, you can also edit the media auto download, and that will help to save data also. As you can see here, you can turn off media auto download when you are using your mobile data by tapping on audio and tapping on images. Then once you see all of the boxes are unticked, you'll simply tap on OK, as that will help to save mobile data. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.